All right, this is my latest listing here in the Hill Subdivision in Rowlett. It's a nice little house if you're looking to downsize. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer. Let's walk up to the front porch. We're gonna walk in. Immediately to the left, we're gonna see the dining room that their guys are using as a study right now, and workout room. Just imagine having your dining room set up here. Got plenty of light. Then we're going to go into the kitchen here. Got nice stainless steel appliances. See, dishwasher. There we go. And then here's the breakfast area. Blender room's immediately to the left over there. Got a nice covered back patio. Very good sized backyard. Here's the living area, nice high ceilings. Once again, curtains are closed, so it's not as bright as it normally would be. They've done some updates with flooring. Here's one of the rooms being used as a study. Got plenty of room. Okay, another one of the secondary bedrooms. This one's a little smaller, but good closet space. Then here's the secondary bath. Now we're going to walk into the master. Good sized master bedroom. Door to the patio. Got nice his and her vanities. Nice big shower. No bathtub here, but got a linen closet over there. Walk-in closet. Toilet again. Really nice size shower. All right, and that is it. If you have any questions, reach out to me.